young explorers! Welcome to another exciting episode of How Well Do You Know Animals? Today we're going on a wild journey around the world to discover amazing facts about animals. Are you ready? Fact number 1. Did you know that a lion's roar can be heard from up to 5 miles away? That's as loud as a rock concert. Fact number 2. Dolphins are incredible swimmers and can jump up to 20 feet in the air. They love to show off their acrobatic skills. Fact number 3. Chameleons are nature's masters of disguise. They can change color to match their environment. Sneaky, right? Fact number 4. Penguins may not fly, but they're amazing swimmers. Some can swim as fast as 22 miles per hour. Fact number 5. Kangaroos are the only large animals that hop. They use their powerful legs to cover great distances. Fact number 6. Owls are super silent flyers. They have special feathers that muffle the sound of their wings. Fact number 7. Octopuses are brainy creatures. They have not 1 but 3 hearts. That's a lot of love! Fact number 8. Meerkats are always on the lookout for danger. They take turns keeping watch while the others hunt for food. Fact number 9. Butterflies taste with their feet. They land on flowers to sample the nectar. Fact number 10. Beavers are amazing architects. They build dams to create cozy homes and protect themselves from predators. And there you have it, young explorers. 10 surprising facts about our incredible animal friends. Stay curious and keep exploring. See you on our next adventure. Bye for now.